Are you looking for perfect chicken wings cooked on an offset? Then look no further. Look at these delicious, salty, fatty, chicken wing perfection. Hey there, it's Kip from Houston's Barbecue, and today we're gonna cook up my favorite protein, chicken. I would say, and I'm probably gonna cop some flack for this, chicken is almost better than brisket, and the best part of the chook, of course, is the chicken wing. So the first thing we need to do is get those chicken wings out. We're gonna cook them two ways today. We're gonna cook them like we do in the restaurant and cook them how I cook them for home. Dump out your chicken. We're gonna divide them into two piles, one for home cook and one for restaurant cook. So in the restaurant, we like to smoke them all up, chill them, and then flash fry them for service. Once we get them flash fried, we toss them up in our seasoning and deliver them to the customer. But at home, I like to season them all up now, get them on the smoker, smoke them through, and don't even worry about flash frying them. So let's check out both of these methods and see how they go. All right, so from here, we're gonna season them really well. Give them a great coating of our chicken rub. Gonna mix them up. Just make sure that they're well seasoned. Make sure you get the underneath, again, back onto the rub. Cover every part possible. Get them all stuck down. If you knock anything off, you can always just go back over again. Just push down hard. Make sure everything's coated and covered. Excellent. Of course, with these ones here, we're not going to season them because we're gonna flash fry them at the end and then season them when it's ready to serve. Alrighty, so with the seasoned and the unseasoned wings, we're gonna kick over the Texas Pro Pit, get it up and burning nice and hot, and then cook some wings. When I started on the Texas Pro Pit almost a decade ago, didn't have the top vent here, so I just used the ash drawer and the main door, keep the temperatures. If you're not using a charcoal starter, you should be. Just get your fire up and going in a few minutes. Push down on your coals until you see it ignite, and then pull back and let the fan do the rest of the work. I find this Lincoln log method is the best way to get your fire up and running as quick as possible. Alrighty, now temperatures are coming up to 275, so it's time to get these wings on. And of course, don't forget about putting the unseasoned wings on as well, because we're gonna flash fry those at the end. Now with wings, I'm actually happy to cook them at a little bit higher heat. So we wanna make sure we keep the fire going, do additional logs to maintain 275, which is pretty much our standard temperature across all of our proteins. And that should keep those wings getting cooked in under 30 minutes. Okay, we've been cooking these wings at around 275 for the last 30 minutes. Let's have a look at our temperatures. 160, 160, 155. So they've probably got about another 15 minutes max. Let's get back to it then. Alrighty, we've given this another 15 minutes. Let's have a look. 160F, DF, 160F. Excellent, let's get all these off. Alrighty, our wings have just come off the Texas Pro Pit. Got a beautiful smoky color. So of course, we're gonna take the unseasoned wings, we're gonna chill them and I'm gonna fry them up. They're gonna be absolutely delicious. Got our seasoned wings now, glistening, fatty, plump, ready to be eaten. So let's have a taste and see how they go. All right, our smoky chicken wings have just come off the Texas Pro Pit. Let's sauce them up and have a taste. Beautiful, red gum smoked, great looking bark on the chicken wings, great, oh, look at that juice, great color. Oh, off the bone chicken. Our white sauce that we make down in the restaurant, of course we sell it down there as well. Salt, vinegar, sugar, chicken, all the good things. These wings are great. Alrighty, here's a few of the chilled wings. Let's get these fried up like we do in the shop. We're gonna cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, get that skin all crispy, and then we're gonna toss them in some seasoning. I brought in my little fryer from home. This is a great little fryer. Let's get these wings in off the smoker and get them fried. Alrighty, 3 minutes has passed. They're all puffy. I've got that beautiful color to it. Probably 1 more minute. All right, those wings are officially done. They've been in for an extra minute. Let's have a quick look. Beautiful, they've puffed right back up again like they should. Let's try and get these out. Beautiful. Now, they've got that golden color to them. They've got that smokiness still there. While they've still got a little bit of oil on them, let's just cover them up. That's how we do them in the shop. Make sure you get the underneath as well. Beautiful. All right, we have just flash fried some of these smoked wings that we did unseasoned off the Texas Pro Pit. Flash fried them for about 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes. That's how we cooked them in the shop. Let's check out how they taste. Pull apart. And they're juicy. They are juicy wings. That Alabama white sauce that we make, that salt and the vinegar, the pepper, the mayo, that perfect accompaniment to chicken. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna finish off these. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check us out at houstonsbarbecue.com.au. Check out our smoke school and everything we do. Thanks for watching.